Okay, students, sharpen your styluses and charge those Chromebooks because I've got 12 fresh Rammerhead proxy links for 2025 coming in hotter than a forgotten Pop-Tart in the teacher's lounge. These links are clean, quick, and safer than hiding behind a tall classmate when the teacher starts calling on people. Whether you're squeezing in a little browser joy between assignments or just need a smooth digital escape, these proxies have your back like that one kid who always knows them. Wi-Fi password, no word redirects, no chaos, just reliable, student-friendly surfing. So hit that like button like it's the snooze button on Monday morning. Subscribe if you're tired of access denied signs. And check the description for all 12 shiny Rammerhead links. And if your computer starts glowing, levitating, or saying access granted, chosen one, just smile. You've clearly unlocked the secret proxy powers of 2025.